Hi, excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it's free. You can sit.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
My name is Maya. What's your name?
I'm Liam.
Nice to meet you, Liam.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sydney, Australia. And you?
I'm from Delhi, India. Are you visiting Canada?
Yes, I arrived 4 days ago. What about you? Why did you come to Canada?
I'm here for a short course. Are you traveling alone?
No, I'm here with my cousin. Do you live in Delhi?
Yes, with my parents. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother. What about you?
I have two sisters.
What do you do in Delhi?
I am a college student. What do you do in Sydney?
I'm a photographer.
Is this your first time in Canada?
Yes, it's my first time. And you?
No, I came once before with my family.
How long will you stay in Toronto?
I'll stay for 1 month. How long will you stay?
I'll be here for 2 weeks.
Do you like Canada so far?
Yes, I love it. Do you like the weather here?
Yes, it's cool and nice.
Where are you staying?
I'm staying in a student hostel. And you?
I'm staying at an Airbnb near downtown.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
What places will you visit in Canada?
I want to see Niagara Falls. What about you?
I want to visit Vancouver.
Do you speak other languages?
I speak English and a little Spanish. And you?
I speak Hindi and English.
Are you tired today?
A little, but I'm fine. Are you tired?
Yes, I woke up early.
Did you fly directly from Sydney?
No, I had a stop in Dubai. And you?
Yes, I came directly from Delhi.
Do you like Canadian food?
Yes, I want to try more dishes. Do you like Indian food?
Yes, I love butter chicken. Are you staying near this park?
Yes, it's very close. Is this your first time in Toronto?
Yes, it is.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have any plans today?
Yes, I'm going to take photos around the city. What about you?
I'm going to my class.
Are you comfortable here?
Yes, I feel good. Are you comfortable here?
Yes, very comfortable. Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I like it. Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you miss home?
Yes, I miss my family. Do you miss home?
A little bit.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old. How old are you?
I'm 25. Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram. Can we be friends?
Yes, sure. I'd like that.
Where do you live?
I live in Pune.
What do you do on Sundays?
I watch movies on Sundays.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you play football?
No, I don't.
Why are you happy today?
I am happy because it's my holiday.
Where do you work?
I work in a small office.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you read books every day?
No, I don't.
Why do you wake up early?
I wake up early to exercise.
Where do you go after work?
I go home after work.
What do you like to learn?
I like to learn English.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I do.
Do you cook dinner at home?
No, I don't.
Why do you study English?
I study English for my job.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink tea in the morning.
Where do you buy groceries?
I buy groceries at the local market.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
Why do you use a bus?
I use a bus because it's cheap.
Where do you usually eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at home.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Do you drink tea every morning?
Yes, I do.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't.
Why are you late today?
I'm late because the bus was slow.
Where do you buy your clothes?
I usually buy them online.
What do you do after dinner?
I watch TV after dinner.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go twice a week.
Do you like rainy days?
No, I don't like them.
Why do you like weekends?
I like weekends because I can rest.
When do you study English?
I study English at night.
Where do you meet your friends?
I met them at a cafe.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat fruits regularly?
No, not every day.
Why do you use a notebook?
I use it to practice English.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is lemonade.
Where do you keep your keys?
I keep them in my bag.
Do you watch movies at night?
Yes, usually on weekends.
Do you like long walks?
No, not really.
Why do you carry a water bottle?
Because I drink water often.
What do you do on your free days?
I relax or meet friends.
When do you clean your room?
I clean it every Sunday.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you speak any other language?
No, only English.
Why do you like early mornings?
They are quiet and calm.
Where do you charge your phone?
I charge it near my bed.
What do you do before sleeping?
I read a book.
Do you use headphones?
Yes, all the time.
Do you take a bus to work?
No, I walk.
Why do you prefer home food?
It feels healthier.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Where do you like to sit in a restaurant?
I like window seats.
Do you play any games on your phone?
Yes, a few simple games.
Do you drink coffee at night?
No, it keeps me awake.
Why do you like small shops?
They feel friendly.
What do you wear at home?
I wear comfortable clothes.
When do you visit your family?
I visit them once a month.
Do you watch news daily?
Yes, in the morning.
Do you enjoy shopping?
No, I don't enjoy it.
Why do you carry a small bag?
It's easy to take everywhere.
Where do you sit on the bus?
I sit near the window.
What do you like about your city?
I like the parks.
Do you use social media?
Yes, but not too much.
Do you check your phone before sleeping?
No, I try not to.
Why do you like quiet places?
They help me relax.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I take a short nap.
Where do you keep your wallet?
I keep it in my pocket.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning.
Do you go out at night?
No, I'm staying home.
Why do you like simple routines?
They make life easy.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Where do you eat lunch at work?
I eat in the canteen.
Do you like morning walks?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink enough water?
No, not always.
Why are you smiling?
I just heard a funny story.
When do you go shopping?
I go on Saturdays.
What do you take for breakfast?
I usually take bread and tea.
Do you write a diary?
No, I don't.
Do you like watching cartoons?
Yes, sometimes.
Why do you wake up late on Sundays?
Because I want to rest more.
Where do you keep your shoes?
I keep them near the door.
What do you do at lunchtime?
I eat and relax for a bit.
Do you call your family every day?
Yes, I call them daily.
Do you read the newspaper?
No, I don't read it much.
Why do you like soft music?
It calms my mind.
Where do you want to travel someday?
I want to go to Japan.
When do you feel the most active?
In the morning.
Do you learn something new every week?
Yes, I try to.
Do you take photos often?
No, not really.
Why do you check the weather?
I check it before going out.
What do you do on rainy days?
I stay home and watch movies.
Where do you usually sit at home?
I sit on the sofa.
Do you drink juice?
Yes, I like orange juice.
Do you like big crowds?
No, I don't like them.
Why do you enjoy reading?
It helps me learn.
What do you want to eat tonight?
I want to eat noodles.
When do you clean your kitchen?
I clean it after cooking.
Do you use a laptop at home?
Yes, I do.
Do you take naps in the afternoon?
No, I don't take naps.
Why do you avoid cold drinks?
They hurt my throat.
Where do you go for a walk?
I walk in the nearby park.
What do you keep in your backpack?
I keep my notebook and charger.
Do you like sweet food?
Yes, I love sweets.
Do you check your messages often?
No, not too much.
Why do you like short trips?
They refresh me.
When do you drink coffee?
I drink coffee in the afternoon.
Where do you store your documents?
I store them in a folder.
Do you watch cooking videos?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go out in the early morning?
No, I don't.
Why do you carry an umbrella?
Because the weather changes fast.
What do you wear at work?
I wear a simple shirt and pants.
When do you wash your clothes?
I wash them on weekends.
Do you like cold weather?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you use a notebook for English?
No, I use my phone.
Why do you enjoy spending time alone?
It helps me think clearly.
Where do you like to sit in a classroom?
I like sitting in the front row.
What do you want to buy this month?
I want to buy new shoes.
Do you watch YouTube daily?
Yes, every evening.
Do you eat outside often?
No, only sometimes.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to speak confidently.
Do you watch Easy English Practice every day?
Yes, I watch it every day.
Why do you like that channel?
Because the videos are very simple.
Did you subscribe to the channel?
Yes, I subscribed last week.
Do you practice speaking daily?
No, not daily, but I try.
What time do you watch the English videos?
I watch them at night.
Where do you study English?
I study in my room.
Do you write notes while watching?
Yes, I write small notes.
Do you repeat the sentences from the video?
Yes, I repeat them loudly.
Why do you want to improve English?
I want to speak confidently.
What English topic do you find easy?
I find greetings easy.
Do you watch long videos?
No, I watch short ones.
Do you understand the examples in the videos?
Yes, most of them.
Why do you prefer this YouTube channel?
The teacher speaks slowly and clearly.
When do you practice reading?
I practice in the morning.
Where do you learn new vocabulary?
From the Easy English Practice videos.
Do you check the comments on the videos?
No, I don't read them.
Do you use subtitles while watching?
Yes, subtitles help a lot.
Why do you watch one video many times?
It helps me remember better.
What English word did you learn today?
I learned the word improve.
Do you practice English with friends?
No, I practice alone.
Do you enjoy listening practice?
Yes, very much.
Why do you make small sentences?
Because small sentences are easy to speak.
Where do you save your English notes?
I save them on my phone.
Do you practice English for work?
Yes, for my job.
Do you forget new words quickly?
Yes, sometimes I forget them.
Why do you repeat the videos?
Repeating helps me learn faster.
What topic do you want to learn next?
I want to learn conversation topics.
Do you speak English with your family?
No, my family doesn't speak English.
Do you like the practice exercises?
Yes, they are very simple.
When do you practice pronunciation?
I practice in the evening.
Why do you pause the video often?
To understand each sentence.
What type of videos do you prefer?
I prefer dialogue videos.
Do you